Welcome back, automotive world, to another exclusive reveal that is about to completely shatter your expectations of what a modern chopper can be. Today, we are peering directly into the future with a breathtaking vision that stands entirely in a league of its own, blending untamed raw power with a level of sophisticated artistry you have never witnessed before on two wheels. This isn't just an evolution of a classic. It is a profound reimagination of a legend, crafted specifically for those who demand nothing less than absolute perfection on the open highway. Prepare yourselves to behold a masterpiece of forward thinking, engineering that redefines the very essence of the cruiser lifestyle, pushing the boundaries of imagination into a tangible, mind-blowing reality. Every single line, every curve, and every meticulous detail of this breathtaking machine has been engineered to capture the imagination and stir the soul of true riders. We are presenting an elite glimpse into a spectacular concept design that masterfully bridges the gap between visionary dreams and real-world asphalt dominance, giving you a front-row seat to the next generation of riding. It is an aesthetic triumph that commands instant respect, striking a flawless balance between aggressive, muscular confidence and sleek, aerodynamic grace that makes everything else on the road look static. This represents the absolute pinnacle of custom-inspired factory craftsmanship, an elite statement of freedom that refuses to compromise on style, stance, or substance. What you are looking at right now is a phenomenal manifestation of pure, unadulterated aesthetic brilliance that honors its legendary roots, while boldly leaping a decade ahead of the competition. The silhouette alone is enough to send shiver-inducing thrills down your spine, boasting an elongated, low-slung profile that slices through the air. With unparalleled grace and effortless authority, it manages to look incredibly fast and immensely powerful, even when it is sitting perfectly still in the studio spotlight, radiating an aura of premium prestige that is impossible to ignore. This design language speaks directly to the hearts of purists who crave that authentic, stretched-out chopper attitude, but want it delivered with a cutting-edge twist. We have spent countless hours analyzing every square inch of this magnificent concept, and we can confidently tell you that the visual harmony achieved here is nothing short of miraculous. It possesses a magnetic presence that draws your eyes in and refuses to let go. Utilizing a gorgeous interplay of deeply sculpted metallic surfaces and sophisticated high-tech accents, the front end stretches out with an aggressive rake that promises straight-line stability, while the rear wraps tightly around a massive, road-gripping tire that screams pure, unbridled American cruiser muscle. It is a brilliant symphony of form and function, a true work of rolling art that captures the essence of open-road freedom like nothing else on the planet. Our team has had the unique privilege of exploring the conceptual framework of this beast, and the sheer level of innovation woven into its DNA is utterly staggering. It completely discards the old, outdated rulebook of cruiser design to establish a bold, new paradigm of mechanical beauty and rider-centric ergonomics. The integration of advanced materials and seamless bodywork creates a fluid, continuous motion from the tip of the front fender all the way to the aggressive, minimalist rear lighting signature. This is a profound celebration of mechanical transparency, where the powerhouse of the machine is beautifully showcased as the crown jewel of the entire structural composition. The sheer elegance displayed in this conceptual layout sets a monumental new standard for the global motorcycle industry, proving that attitude and modern sophistication can coexist. Beautifully, it catches the ambient light in a way that accentuates its deeply carved lines, revealing a complex, multi-dimensional character that looks different and more fascinating. From every single angle you view it, there is a palpable sense of premium luxury oozing from every mock-up, suggesting an ownership experience that is as elite and exclusive as the bike looks. It is a daring, uncompromising vision that doesn't just ask for your attention. It commands your absolute devotion the second you lay eyes on it. This introduces a revolutionary design language that is entirely distinct from anything else currently cruising the streets, offering an intoxicating glimpse into a future where style reigns supreme. It takes the timeless, rebellious spirit of traditional choppers and injects it with a heavy dose of ultra-modern, high-tech DNA that feels incredibly fresh, vibrant, and wildly exciting. The proportions are daringly exaggerated, yet mathematically perfect, creating an overwhelming sense of balanced power that is custom-tailored to dominate both urban boulevards and infinite desert highways. This is the ultimate expression of two-wheeled paradise, a design that doesn't just push the envelope, it tears it to shreds and builds a whole new world. Underneath this mesmerizing exterior lies a conceptual powertrain, engineered to deliver an absolutely exhilarating, asphalt-shredding performance that will leave you breathless. The heart of this magnificent beast is tuned to unleash a relentless wave of massive torque, offering instantaneous throttle response that pins you back and launches you forward with effortless, muscular authority. It promises a riding experience defined by buttery, smooth power delivery, a deep resonant exhaust note that shakes the ground, and a level of mechanical reliability that ensures you can chase the horizon without a single care in the world. The engineering philosophy behind this concept ensures that the legendary ride quality is elevated to an entirely new dimension of comfort control and precision handling. It is designed to offer an incredibly low center of gravity, allowing you to slice through winding, canyon roads with the nimble agility of a sports bike, while maintaining the rock-solid stability of a heavy cruiser. Every component, from the state-of-the-art suspension system to the high-performance braking apparatus, is optimized to give the rider an unparalleled sense of confidence and total mastery over the machine. We are personally utilizing and exploring this phenomenal design ethos, experiencing firsthand how this future concept translates into an unmatched aura of premium riding satisfaction. What we are showcasing for you today is a spectacular, forward-thinking conceptual vision that remains deeply and faithfully connected to the real world. Production physics ensuring a flawlessly realistic match, it is the ultimate fusion of dream and reality, a tangible preview of a glorious tomorrow that you can practically feel humming beneath you right now. This exceptional model represents a monumental leap forward, bringing a level of refinement, technological integration, and raw emotional appeal that the motorcycle world has been desperately begging for. The ergonomics are meticulously tailored to cradle the rider in absolute comfort, making long-distance cross-country journeys feel entirely effortless, while maintaining that undeniably cool, relaxed riding posture. It is a magnificent triumph of modern motorcycle development, a glittering jewel of engineering that stands as a testament to what happens when passion meets limitless innovation. The sheer brilliance of this machine lies in its ability to evoke pure emotion, transforming every ordinary commute into an epic, unforgettable adventure filled with adrenaline and pride. It is packed to the brim with premium features, ultra-modern rider aids, and a breathtaking aesthetic that ensures you will be the absolute center of attention wherever you choose to ride. This is not just a mode of transportation.